Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Micanopy, Florida, a town rich in history and charm. Established in 1821, Micanopy is recognized as Florida's oldest inland town. Its name honors Chief Micanopy, a respected leader of the Seminole Nation during the early 19th century. Long before European settlers arrived, this area was home to indigenous peoples, including the Timucua and later the Seminole tribes. In 1774, naturalist William Bartram visited a nearby Seminole village called Cuskawilla, documenting the region's rich flora and fauna. During the Second Seminole War, Micanopy was a strategic location, with Fort Defiance and Fort Micanopy established to protect settlers. Some of the conflict's significant battles occurred near the town, reflecting its importance in Florida's early frontier history.
Thank you very much.
Today, Micanopy is often called the town that time forgot. Its downtown area, listed on the National Register of Historic Places, features 19th-century buildings housing antique shops, art galleries, and cozy cafes. The tree-lined streets, draped with Spanish moss, offer a picturesque glimpse into Florida's past.
Thanks for watching!